Hey everyone, and welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In this video, I'll show you how you can delete your Gmail account permanently. To get started, first of all, open any browser on your desktop or your mobile device, and in the web address bar, type gmail.com and hit enter. My account is already logged in, but if yours is not, we have a separate video on how to log into your Gmail account. You can check that video out. I'll leave the link in the description. And once you have logged in, you can see your option with your profile picture on the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and click Manage your Google account. After that, it will take you to this page where in the left you can find 6 options. To delete your account, you have to click the third option. And there, scroll down until you see these options right here. The options are download your data, make a plan for your account, or delete a service or your account. Click on the third option, and there you can see 4 different options: delete a Google service, delete your Google account, download your data, and make a plan for your account. You have to click on the second option, which is delete your Google account. I will not delete my Google account, but this is the last step. You just have to click on delete your account, and there you have it. You have successfully deleted your Google account. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.